Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm Maria.
Hi, I'm Ellen, and we are Keeping Sisters Creative.
Today we're going to be making a Hocus Pocus shadow box. It's really easy and really cute. I saw something similar to it in a store and it was just too expensive, and I thought I could make this a lot less and add more to it. And I'm really excited to show you guys my Halloween house tour real soon so you guys can see everything put together.
I'm really excited to see it too. It looks awesome every year, Maria. We can't wait.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We can't wait for you to see it. So make sure that you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, because that helps our channel grow. And don't forget to click that bell so you'll get notified every time we upload a video and you won't miss a thing.
Woohoo! And with that, let's get started. So I'm standing down this box. You get these at the Dollar Tree. I painted mine black. Honestly, I had made one before, but the film didn't come out, so I had to redo it. Sorry guys, but this is actually the true version. So I'm sanding this down to make it more look rustic looking. And that's just the back. And so now I have the pewter gray and the sterling silver to paint for the back of the box. And it's going to make it look like that galvanized steel.
That looks really cool.
So, no, you did a great job editing, Elle. I love the transitions. Okay,
oh,
so
thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, so now you just paint the back with the pewter gray.
You paint so fast. I know.
Right?
It helps to speed that process along, huh?
Yeah.
No, I like this process.
I'm really excited to see what the house looks like when I have all these things done. Okay, I love the transition now. Okay, so
Thanks.
now you just get a sponge with the sterling silver and just go ahead and sponge it all over the back. And that's going to give it that galvanized steel look. And I think
it does speed up here in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, this
there
is where,
I go.
There you go. Yeah, this is where we test our patience, right, Ree?
Right.
Oh, this is cool. Man, you're really fast.
Oh, sheesh. You're too funny.
Oh my gosh. It looks so good.
Yeah.
It's amazing how it changes that color.
I'm looking forward to Halloween this year. Okay, so now that that's done, you get a cauldron. I got these at the 99-cent store. They came in a pack of 4. And the one that I saw in the store, it had half of the cauldron, so I wanted to make sure I just cut half of the cauldron. And make sure that you do it behind the handle.
Okay.
Yeah. It wasn't that hard to cut, but it was a little stubborn at times.
Yeah.
But I got it. We got it.
Do you measure it from like both, make sure you're cutting at each side of the end of the handle?
No, I just eyeballed it.
Okay.
And then try to get it as smooth as possible, so I'm going to sand it. And then that should make it smooth. It does make it smooth because I did it already.
Oh, there you go. And you sand away.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. No, that's cool.
And I don't know if you noticed those pumpkins in the background. I made those out of air dry clay. So easy to do. I have a few of them on there because I'm making those for other projects too, which you guys will be seeing in my home tour. So now you just get the jute twine and wrap it around your hand about 13 times because now you're making the broom. And you get a stick. Yeah, you'll see in here that the stick was a little bit too long, so I had to cut it down. It was giving me a little bit of trouble. There you go, another cool transition. Okay, so you just wrap the the jute twine with that raffia. I got the light brown raffia, and
Okay.
just do it pretty securely. And what I should have done here is put the stick in first before I did the raffia, but I
Oh.
didn't, and then it breaks, and then it's still too long. But you know, anytime you do, yeah, I know. Anytime you do crafting, you know that it doesn't always go the way you want it to go. So I'm just gonna keep it real here. This is what happens when I do my crafting. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and this time it worked. So we're doing
Well,
good.
yeah, that's how you learn. It's like, oh, okay, this is an easier way to do it, or I
Right.
know not to do that again. So it's like,
Exactly.
okay, yeah, it looks good to me, Ree.
Yeah, look, see, it broke again. So let's get out the trusty glue gun. That's
I
gonna
know.
hold it in place.
Oh my gosh, how funny. Yeah, when in doubt, get out the glue.
Right.
It's like, I'm gonna make this thing fit and stick in there.
Yeah, and then go ahead and just cut the bottom so it's starting to look more like a broom. Really easy to do. And then just go ahead and trim it so it looks a little bit, the edges are a little bit smoother. And there you have your Booch's broom. Isn't that cute?
That is adorable. I love
Yeah.
that.
I do too.
We could have used that for our Barbies, Maria.
Oh, I know, right?
Oh my gosh. I
Oh,
love
funny.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, have them dress up for Halloween? A little witch's costume?
Did they have Halloween costumes for Barbies?
Oh, I
think
don't
they
even
did.
think so. That
Maybe
would have been
now.
a good one for Mom to make us.
You're right.
Yeah.
This pin I got at the Dollar Tree, and it's white, and I'll make sure it works like everything else. I got to make sure it works first. And I'm just going to put down it's just a bunch of, and then you'll see that I write down Hocus Pocus on the Cauldron. Because that seems to be the real popular saying this year. The Sanders sisters, all those, anything that has to do with Hocus Pocus.
Yeah. That's so cute. Your writing is so much better than mine.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
I tried.
Well, you do good. I would be like,
Thank you.
okay, let me grab another hat here. Let's try it again.
You're right.
Yeah.
So that's what it looks like after you put the white on. And I really like these markers. They're coming out with a lot more of them at the Dollar Tree. These,
Is it like paint?
yeah, it's like
Okay.
a paint marker.
That's
So
really
now I'm going to
cute.
write Hocus Pocus. Thank you.
Welcome. That is so fun.
So we were talking the other day about Halloween stories that we had. And, I'm going to let Ellen tell you because when she was little, her candy got stolen.
Oh, yeah. And I don't know if that's happened to anybody else, but it's scary. I was like 5, I think. We were living in a different house than the other one that we grew up in. But I'm one of 6 kids. And so there were a lot of us, going trick-or-treating. And like usual, I was kind of lagging in the back. And somebody ran up, snatched my bag, and it was scary. It was like, oh my gosh. So once we got over the trauma of it all, the next house we went to, we told the woman at the door what happened, and she was so sweet, and she grabbed a bag from her house, dumped her whole bowl of candy in my bag to kind of try to make up for what I lost, and it was just really sweet. And
Yeah. And you ended up having more candy than anyone else.
Yes, and they were so
Right.
pissed. They were like, oh my gosh, look at her. She's got more than me now. It's like, you know what? But I had to live through that traumatizing experience. So you know what?
Right.
That was my payback, I guess. So
So I glued the back on to the box, and now these straws that I got at the 99-cent store. And I got them during the summer, but this, oh my gosh, my mind just went blank.
Oh,
this
gingham.
buffalo check, that's really
Okay.
popular right now. I thought would look so cute on the sides of this shadow box. And it worked out really well, too.
it looks so cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, if you guys have any stories about Halloween when you guys were younger, we'd love to hear it and comment below. That'd be awesome
fun.
to hear.
I
Yeah.
know. I love hearing people's Halloween stories and to see how their traditions are, maybe some are the same and different, and it just makes it really fun.
Right. So we're both grandmas, and my grandson's going to be a cop this year. And what about your granddaughters, though? Do you know what they're going to be yet?
Oh gosh, I'm drawing a blank on what they were saying they were going to be. I know. I'm trying to think. Oh, I think. No, Mara was a flamingo. Not last year, but the year before, I think. So, and yeah, I can't remember. But I will tell you the next time, because I will make sure I find out for certain what they're going to be. And
there you go.
yeah, and I'll have to ask Michael about Savannah and Olivia too, and see what
There
they're
you
going to
go.
be. Yeah, but
So now I
that-
just glued
the next time.
Okay, my turn.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm getting away with. I was like, oh, that's right. We're doing some crafting. Okay.
Right. So
Yeah.
I just glued the cauldron that I cut in half, and then put my glue gun, and then made sure that it was going to stay on there. And then we have another cool transition. I love these transitions, though. Okay,
Oh.
so then the hat, I got that floral foam, and just put a
Oh.
little bit on there because I wanted it to not be completely on the back, because the
Oh.
cauldron's not on the back, so I wanted it to be raised like the cauldron.
Oh, that's so
Yeah.
cool.
And now I'm gonna glue on the little broom that we made.
That's so cool.
It's really easy to make.
Where did you get that twig? Did you just buy a twig, or where did you get the twig for that?
Well, there was actually a twig that I had gotten from a wreath from the Dollar Tree, but you could just go outside and get a twig. It doesn't. You don't
Okay.
have to go buy that. I mean,
Yeah.
any kind of like twig you can find.
I
And then
love
I just-
that it's curved. It's so cute.
Yeah. Okay, now this potion bottle, I made just a label on it, but I got these bottles at the 99 cents store. They're coming out with new craft items. So I thought, how cute would it be if I made a little potion bottle and put it on the bottom? Because like the one I saw in the store just had the cauldron, the broom, and just the writing on the back, but I'm adding so much more to it than what I saw.
It looks
And my
so
daughter saw this and said, "Mom, did you buy that?" And I said, "No, I made it." And she goes, "Oh, that's really cool." And so I got this ribbon from Joann's. You're going to see the ribbon in a little bit once I get to it. And it matched the straws perfectly. And if you don't have the straws, you can always use the ribbon around the corners. See? Like,
Oh,
just do it like
that's
that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gives you a different option. That's so fun.
Right. And I filmed a little bit off, but you guys are getting the gist of it, I hope.
Yeah. Well, what's
And then
nice is you're telling us what's going on. That's cool.
Right. And then I just got the jute twine and made a bow, and then put that over the buffalo check ribbon that I had. And like I said, I made these pumpkins just air clay, and they're so easy to make. And then just glue that on the top, and whoop, as it falls down.
Oh.
And and there you go. There's the shadow box. I mean, I think it came out super cute. And so then
Oh,
I
it
just
is.
put some batting that I had in my closet to make it look like it was bubbling. And there you go. Our Hocus Pocus shadow box.
Oh, that is so cute, Maria.
Oh,
I
thanks.
love it.
Yeah, so like I said, I'm really excited about videotaping the house when I get everything all put together and show you guys. So that'll be really fun to watch. And so if you guys like this video, you like us because we love you.
Yeah,
Make
definitely.
sure that you comment down below so we can like your comments and love your comments, and make sure you subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and click that notification bell every time that we upload a video. Thanks for stopping by.
Until next time. Bye.